Are you looking for a job? Or perhaps a job upgrade? Or are you an employer looking to build a team of talented individuals? If you're not, you can go ahead and skip this video. If you are, you be sure to check out jobsgiga.com. Oh yeah. They serve over 190 countries, eh? Applying and posting jobs are all free! Free! It sucks to be a vampire in this economy. Thank God I found jobsgiga.com. Now I'll let a human tell you more about jobsgiga.com because I have to prepare for my interview.